back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another non-phone daily work from home job lead for you. I post multiple fresh work from home job leads daily, so if you haven't already and you're new to this channel, go to the channel main page and check out all of my recent videos. A lot of those jobs are still currently taking applications and hiring. But with that being said, today's job lead is from the company OppFi. Now, OppFi is a financial technical company. They have a 2.9 out of 5-star rating on Glassdoor with 292 reviews. Now, normally I do not share any kind of company that does not at least get a 3.0 rating, but since 2.9 is right on the borderline, I decided to include this company because it is a non-phone position. All the pages I share are always linked in the YouTube description box below this video, so please do your research on any of these companies and come read the reviews. Some of the reviews I was reading was like people were upset that the stock price was falling and different things like that that might not necessarily make or break whether you work for a company. But OppFi is hiring a chat advocate. This is remote for the United States only. So you'll be answering those online website chats. You'll be responsible for communicating with customers through that website live chat, answering questions with them pertaining to loan application process through OppFi. Your day will consist of responding to general questions, assisting in troubleshooting the bank verification step, and helping upload emailed documents and requesting additional documents as needed. So you're going to be helping drive business through excellent customer service at every step of their loan application process. You're going to build relationships through electronic communication, so all non-phone, using provided resources to help navigate customers through the instant bank verification process. You'll also review and evaluate customers' financial documents and research any financial history. So you'll be answering these online chats in a timely manner. You will have to work multiple chats simultaneously. No college degree is needed, but they do need somebody who is detail-oriented and a critical thinker, can type at least 40 to 60 words per minute, can be a multitasker with those great time management skills. And of course, since you're typing words and this is all online, you need to have great written communication skills. Now, unfortunately, actual pay for this position was not listed in the job description and will need to be discussed at the time of the interview, but I did try to do some research to get you an estimate of what this job might pay. And for people who have worked as a chat advocate for OppFi, they've reported their salary anywhere from $34,000 a year all the way up to $46,000 a year as their base pay. That's going to break down to anywhere from $130 a day all the way up to $176 a day if you're working a standard 5-day work week. All right, if you enjoyed this job lead video or job leads like this that are non-phone, please give this video a thumbs up like button because that does give me direct feedback that I'm being helpful. Share with all your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. Of course, if you're looking for anything specific, feel free to leave that in the comments. I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.